Hi, my honeys. Okay, I got two of my granddaughters over. Okay, what's your name?
Tequila.
Tequila, and what do we call you?
Yeah.
Yeah. She act like she don't like that. And what's your name?
Kalia.
And what we call you?
Nothing.
Kalia. Okay, they're visiting for a few days, and I'm getting ready to make a diaper cake. And they're going to help me. They didn't know it when they came over here, but they're going to help me. So y'all have anything else to say right now?
Nothing. Have a blessed day.
Have a blessed day? Well, that's nice.
Bye.
Okay. Let me put this thing on the tripod. Hi, honeys. How's you all's day going so far? Mine is going fine. You already know what I'm saying, huh? These kids are making fun of me because they know that I say the same thing all the time. Well, anyway, I'm getting ready to make a diaper cake. So, I made one before. So I got the big box of the Love's diapers, size 2. See that? Let me show y'all everything I bought. Okay, I'm going to use this cake taker base. You know, from the Dollar Tree. Use this as my base for the whole diaper cake. I got several bottles. The woman is having a girl, so several bottles. And I will show you what I need them for. Got the colorful washcloths. Got a little rattle thingy. Where's that other pink ribbon? I got different widths of pink grosgrain ribbon. Little toys to tuck in around the diaper cake. It's a pacifier. A comb brush set. Bottle brush. Little small traveler size baby products. The lotion, the baby lotion, powder, so I can tuck around. And what else I got? I had this already from my last diaper cake. This big old roll of cellophane. So I can wrap the whole thing up. You know how Easter baskets come? So this will be wrapped up. And some rubber bands. And I'll show you what I'm going to use them for. And that's it.
To pop tequila.
Huh?
To pop tequila.
Girl. Okay. I'm about to get started.
Teacher Hari had a lot of gifts.
Okay. I'm going to show them how to roll these diapers. We're going to start with this end. See? I'm just going to roll them.
Hold up. Oh, like
let's roll it.
Yeah. You want to roll it with a double wrench.
So it looks like a taquito. Roll as tight as you can. And we're going to use the little rubber bands to put right in the center of it. See?
Okay.
All the rubber bands to be about in the same, position.
You know what type of rubber bands we should have got? Some pink rubber bands. That's money.
Yeah, they cost more than these.
Oh.
Okay? So, I'm going to do another one. Roll as tight as possible. Put the rubber band in the center of it.
You don't fold these diapers in half. Fold away.
So it looks like that.
I'm going to do a voiceover. I don't like talking.
Okay. I'll be back when all the diapers I need are rolled up.
Yeah,
okay, I'm filming. Quit talking about people. Okay, y'all. They got half of this box rolled up. So that's what's half of 124. I just told y'all.
That was like 62.
Yes. We got 62 diapers rolled up. So I'm going to see how many it's going to take. So I got the big rubber band. So I'm going to put a bunch of diapers together in a circle. I'm supposed to turn them all the same way. Okay, I'll be back once I secure these diapers in a circle, and I'm going to put a bottle, one of these bottles in the center of it. Okay, so they'll be formed around a baby bottle. Y'all can start taking the papers and stuff off of everything. Unwrapping stuff. I'll be back. Okay, I got these formed around this bottle. I'm going to make another row surrounding it, like that. And I got all the diapers turned in the same direction. Okay. Then I'm going to secure this with another rubber band. So I'll be back having a girl.
The pink diaper.
Okay. I made 2 rows around. Now I'm making the 3rd row, and I'm just sticking it in here in the rubber band. And like I said, I'm putting them all in the same direction. And I bought what size are these? 2 diapers. Because everybody brings newborn and size 1s to baby showers. And babies grow so fast. So the mommy will be glad to see these size 2s.
When you say size 2, do they mean 2-year-olds?
No.
Oh.
This goes from 12 to what pounds? 12 to 18 pounds. But this wouldn't work with my kids because I had 9 and almost 10-pound babies. Your mama was the biggest. She was 9 pounds, 10 ounces.
That's a lot. I think I was 9 pounds, 12 ounces.
I don't think you were that big.
I was 8 pounds.
Were you?
Mm-hmm. I wish I could get back to those days.
No, you don't. I wouldn't be a baby no more for nothing in the world. I
was talking about getting back to 8 pounds. Well,
and what? Pampers?
No, I said,
you want to wear Pampers?
I said getting back to 8 pounds.
Girl, you need to be in the hospital if you were 8 pounds. Okay. Just trying to chug all of these in here. And then I'll put another row on top of here. So it looks like a tiered, like a wedding cake. I'll be back with the next step. Okay, y'all, I'm starting on the 2nd row, 2nd tier. See that? So I put the rubber band on the bottle. And I stuck this, and I'm just going to put these diapers under the rubber band, the thick, big rubber band like that. Okay, so, and this might take 2 tiers, 2 rows. Not sure yet. I'll keep you posted. Okay, I got these 2 tiers, and they're like, the first tier was triple row. The 2nd tier is double row around. Now, I need the little baby bottle. I'm sticking it here, and I'll start. Can you roll them diapers down, please?
Yes.
Now, don't break my silver apple. You're going to be in trouble. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
I'm going to do this. Put the rubber band on here first.
Oh, okay. That's for sure. Okay.
And tuck the diapers in here. Okay? And they're still going in the same direction. So, I'll be back I think this will just take one row around. Okay, y'all, I got all my tiers ready. I used my, I measured out the different lengths of this grosgrain ribbon. So, I got my hot glue gun ready. I'm just going to tack the ribbon with a hot glue gun. Without gluing a diaper. Come on now. And I'm covering up the rubber bands with this wide ribbon. Oops, that ain't neat. I need to pull that tighter. No, let me undo that. Okay. None of the rubber bands to show because that's tacky. Okay. So y'all get the idea. I'm gonna do this row. Okay, then I'm gonna do the top row. And I will be back. Okay, y'all. Right now I'm stuffing these little knickknacks in and around the diaper cake. So I also got these little bitty bottles of baby lotion and baby wash. So the little comb and brush set. Where's the comb to it? I see the brush. I'm just tucking it around. Thank you. Let's put it down. And this stuff will come in handy for the new mom. Did I tell you what she's gonna name the child?
I think. Wait, can I guess?
Yeah, something start with an A. I forgot the name.
Aaliyah?
No.
Aria?
Aubrey.
Aubrey.
That's cute.
I smell that glue gun burning. Time to turn it off, I guess. Who is he?
That's Elmo.
Elmo.
Girl, you should know because you just got through being a baby.
I'm trying to tie a ribbon around it.
Oh my
god. It's going to make it look cute.
Okay, I'm just tucking.
I need to waist size it.
I said emo.
Emo.
Okay.
Little comb and brush set.
It's going to come out pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Never mind.
Tuck in these washcloths.
Wait. We probably need a smaller ribbon.
I don't need another bottle, but Amber can give that to her also. Let me use pink.
I used those towels to wash Julia too. It was a Mickey Mouse towel.
Mm-hmm.
We still got them. It was at my grandma's house because we could keep some stuff over there for him.
Okay. Okay, I'll show y'all the finished product when I get through. Okay, it's basically done. So now I'm going to wrap it with some of this clear wrap. And then put a bow on the top. And I'll really show you the finished product when you see me again. Okay, y'all. I finished with my diaper cake. You turn it around so you can see every angle. You got little doodads tucked in amongst the diapers. And I decided to put some hot pink tissue paper in there for color. Okay. Whew. Okay, y'all, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye.